If you have a dream to start a business from the comfort of your home, as well as skills and a product idea, then stay tuned as I will go into a few ideas and small machines that you could start at home. Number 1. Livestock feed making machine. Whether you're rearing animals or have access to raw materials for the production of stock feed, then this could be the business for you. Stock feed making machine, which can produce a variety of stock feed pellets for animals like rabbits as well as cattle. You could also make pet food and treats. Choose the animal and stock feed or product idea you would like to produce and you are well on your way. Number 2. Offset printing machine. In this world of branding and media, there is always a demand for marketing materials. If you have a passion in design, an offset machine can print anything from flyers to posters. You could supply small companies and big corporates as well as government organizations. Number 3. Spice powder making machine. Spice powder making machine, freshly ground spices, are always in demand from people who appreciate aromas and good food. Starting a spice powder making machine with a few raw materials and a spice making machine could be a lucrative business. Number 4. Ballpoint pen and pencil making machine. There is always a need for stationery items such as pens and pencils. With these machines, you could be a major supplier of pens and pencils in your region. You can supply retail shops or directly to schools and offices. Number 5. Scrubber making machine. Scrubbers are always in demand by household and restaurants as well as food outlets. Scrubbers can be made with nylon or stainless steel. Depending on your market, choose the right machine for your product idea. Number 6. Noodles making machine. Noodles have fast become a convenience food and consumers are always on the lookout for a new brand. You could manufacture noodles and package them with this noodle making machine. Number 7. Sausage making machine. Sausages are versatile and demand for them is increasing. All you need is a special blend of herbs and spices, sausage meat and the casing, as well as the sausage making machine. Number 8. Biscuit making machine. Snacks and sweets are loved by young and old, and there is never enough flavors or textures on the market. Why not start your own line of biscuits and treats with this biscuit making machine? Number 9. Personalized phone case manufacturing and accessories. Personalized phone cases have become a popular fashion accessory and many consumers are willing to pay a premium for high quality and unique designs. You could specialize in iPhones, Samsungs, or tablets. You could also manufacture other accessories like key holders. Number 10. Handcraft Products. You could also start a business depending on your skill set and interest. Business like leather products manufacturing or natural skincare products manufacturing, garments manufacturing, all can be started right in your garage. Hope this was helpful. Be fruitful, multiply, replenish, subdue, and take dominion.